Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this session today, I will walk you through the real world DocuSign integration challenges which I have faced over and over again. By the end, you will know how to avoid common mistakes with redirect URLs, when to use embedded sign-in and when to use remote sign-in. And also, you will learn why SMS can trick you in embedded flows. So when we integrate DocuSign into our web application or mobile app, most issues aren't about the API being unavailable. They are about the configuration mismatch and flow design. A solid mental model of sign-in modes and their redirect behavior will save hours of debugging. So today in this video, we will cover a redirect URL patterns, embedded sign-in versus remote sign-in, pitfalls, and SMS behavior in embedded sign-in. I will share clear do's and don'ts for each. So let's start it. So the first thing is redirect URLs. So DocuSign mainly supports two sign-in experiences: embedded meaning in-app sign-in and remote meaning through the SMS link or email. Each has different rules for where the sign-in lands after the completion. So in embedded sign-in, you generate a recipient URL from your server using the DocuSign API. Because your app controls this flow, the post redirect URL is that in your code. Think it as a create an envelope, create recipient view, pass the signer into your app sign-in iframe or a Windows. On completion, redirect to your app defined URL. Key tip: always include a state parameters unit like envelope ID or transaction ID on the redirect URL so you can show a confirmation or a trigger downstream logic. Where in remote signing, DocuSign delivers the experience via SMS or email links. Here, the redirect destination after sign is managed in DocuSign admin. Under the signage setting, you have option for in-session landing page, and where you have a sign-in completed field, you need to fill that. So if you expect a custom app URL without configuring in admin, the signer will land on a DocuSign default page. So let me show you where you need to define this. So here in your DocuSign account, you have admin section. Here in sign-in settings, we have in-session landing pages and sign-in completed. Here we need to enter our redirect URL. From here, while using the remote sign-in, user will redirect to whatever URL we have defined here. Okay, so common mistakes. The teams often set the redirect in code and assume it will also apply to remote sign-in, but it won't. Also double check the environment differences like a demo versus stage, QA and production, and also verify the domains like HTTP, HTTPS and any subdomains if you are using. A mismatch domain or missing route is a classic route of I signed but I ended up on the wrong page. Next thing is embedded sign-in with SMS option. So you might want embedded sign-in for a smooth in-app experience, but you also want to send the signer an SMS notification. That SMS, however, is treated by DocuSign as a remote sign-in channel. If you combine SMS notification with embedded sign-in and still request a recipient view, DocuSign can see conflicting instructions. So in this mixed scenario, DocuSign may throw an error like invalid request parameter. This typically occurs because the envelope is parametered for remote delivery via SMS, while your code simultaneously requests as embedded recipient view URL. Two different flows viewing for a control. So decide upfront. Do you want embedded signing or a remote sign for the recipient? If embedded, avoid adding SMS notification for the recipient. Communicate via your app or email and rely on the recipient view URL to guide the sign-in. If you want remote, don't create a recipient view. Let DocuSign deliver SMS and ensure your admin landing pages are configured for post-sign redirects. If you must notify by SMS and keep an embedded feed, send an SMS from your own system with a dim link into your app. Then initiate embedded sign-in inside the app. Keep DocuSign's SMS off for that embedded recipient. For this, you can use video or any third-party integration within your app to send an SMS. So the big takeaway is from this video is pick one sign-in experience for a recipient and align all the notification and redirects to that choice. That prevents confusing signals and avoids a invalid request parameter error. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section.